Realme C1, the smartphone that came out of surprise with the release of Realme 2 Pro and blew the competition away with its specifications at such a budget price. For the first time, it seemed as if the Redmi budget series has a strong competitor. So in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Realme C1 based on the initial impressions in the first 7 days. Make sure to watch this video till the end and also subscribe to my channel as I'll be bringing the full review, camera review and gaming performance for the Realme C1 in the near future. So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techster 1504. My name is Utsav and without wasting any further time, let's get into our video. So this is the Realme C1. Let's unbox it. There's not a lot on the box, just the branding. Let's cut the seal open and see what we get inside. Here's a small box, let's keep it aside for a moment. And this phone looks unlike anything we have ever seen for the price point at which it is sold. By the way, it's priced at 6,999 and is sold via Flipkart on flash sales. So in that box, we get the transparent silicone case, quick start guide and the warranty card. It's nice that they provided with the case since the back of the phone is plastic but it looks like glass, so it is prone to scratches and fingerprints. We also get the same ejector tool within the small box. We also get the power brick, which is not a fast charger and its output value is 5 volts and 1 ampere, and with it we get the USB to micro USB cable. We don't get anything else in the box apart from these usual things. So let's look at the smartphone. In the front, we get a 6.25 inches HD plus 19:9 aspect ratio display, a 5 megapixel camera and a notch which looks great. A point is to be noted that for the price point, you don't get any smartphone from reputed brands with a notch, so it could be the ultimate selling point for the device. Let's boot it up. Meanwhile, on the rear, you get a beautiful glass kinda looking plastic which absolutely looks premium. Dual rear facing camera and a Realme branding at the bottom. The device runs on Color OS, which is skinned from Oppo and is used in all Oppo and Realme devices. The display looks bright and vivid, but the best thing about the display is the tall 19:9 aspect ratio, the high screen to body ratio and the notch. The software feels smooth as of now, but we'll see how it holds up with time. On first boot, we get 7.38 GB free space from 16 GB. The device runs on Android version 8.1.0 and the company has promised for the Android Pie update in the first half of the next year. So this was it for the unboxing part. Now I'm gonna use it for a few days and come back to you with the initial impressions on performance, gaming, camera and battery, so stay tuned. So I'm back after using the device for 7 days. Let's start with the performance of the device. The Snapdragon 450 powered phone works smooth almost all the time and it handles multitasking pretty well. I didn't notice any lag while using the phone on a daily basis, and the software is nothing like stock, but it is pretty easy to adjust. We also played a few games and they were pretty smooth throughout. It's even got a gaming mode which I'll talk about in detail in the complete gaming review, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you get the complete idea of its gaming capabilities. But the initial results are pretty good and I'm really excited to see how games such as PUBG and Asphalt 9 perform on this device. Now the camera is not the best in the price even after having dual sensors. We get pretty average images with the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel combination. The images are detailed and sharp enough, but the colors don't pop out. But considering the price point, one can't ask for anything more. But if you want a smartphone for just the cameras, keep in mind that there are better options for the price. Now the huge 4250 mAh battery is something which I loved in this device. It lasted around 1.5 to 2 days easily even after mid to high usage. You can't find the screen on time in the settings, so I can't show you the exact statistics, but I can assure you that the battery of this device won't die on you. Now the phone is not perfect and there are a few cons, but considering the price point, you can't complain a lot. So this was the initial impressions for the Realme C1 after 7 days of usage. Hit the like button if you like my video, comment me down below for any questions regarding the device and I'll make sure to answer them in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so as to get notified for all my latest videos. So I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.